Hello guys, hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're having a blast. Hope you're all coping with everything with this craziness that's happening in the world. So today I was doing my assessment and then I was munching on this cashew nuts, and then I started missing my favorite cake from the Philippines, and it's called Mocha Cake by Goldilocks. I'm so excited, I can't wait to try it again. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click that subscribe button and the bell next to that so you can be notified every time we post a new video. So that's what we're waiting for. Let's go. Let's get baking. Hello guys, we're back. So let's finish this cake. So the way to know if your cake is ready for the next icing is when you touch it, you don't have any more icing on your finger. You're not lifting any icing. Just lightly touch it, okay? So I'm not gonna put any more on the top. So I'll just put a little bit on the side just so I can scrape it. Hello guys, we're back. So finally we'll get to taste this mocha cake. So let's have a slice. I'm so excited. Just slice it this way first. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that layer. See? Now, let's taste this one. Yummy. Super soft and the icing is not too sweet, just the right flavor, and I can really taste the coffee in there. Love it. Try this recipe guys, it's really good. I have been, ever since I started baking, I've been really trying to mimic that mocha cake by Goldilocks, and finally I found this is like the best recipe, I can tell you. Hey guys, I just want to mention this because I forgot to mention this earlier. So I also added the iced coffee syrup. So I used this one. I added like a tablespoon of this one, and I added water into it, and I used that just to brush onto my cake before I put the icing on. And I also use this for our coffee mixture, our mocha mixture. So aside from the coffee and cocoa powder mixture, I also added this instead of vanilla extract. I added the iced coffee syrup. So I'll also include that in the description box. I just want you to know so that you won't be confused when you see me doing it, and then when you see the recipe, like you don't know how to follow it. So I just substituted this one, and also the recipe will also call for 5 teaspoons of water once you start doing the icing. So what I did is I did I put 3 teaspoons of water into the coffee cocoa powder mixture, and then 3 teaspoons of this. Okay, so a total of 6 teaspoons of liquids that I added into the mixture. And you will have this fabulous mocha cake. It's yummy. I'll see you again next time, guys. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can be notified every time I post a new one. Till next time, always wash your hands, stay safe, bye.